Good morning, dear students. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the chapter circles of class 8th. So first of all, we are going to discuss the properties related to circles. The first property is that when a circle is there and a tangent is drawn to the circle, a tangent, as we all know, is a line which touches the circle at one point. So from an exterior point, if two tangents are drawn to the circle, then the length of the two tangents will be equal. So from this we can write down PA is equal to PB with using the property that tangent to a circle from one exterior point is same. The length are same. PA is equal to PB. The second property related to the circles is that when we are drawing a tangent to the circle, at the point of contact, the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So this property states that a radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. The third property is that angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degree. If you draw a diameter and here if I am drawing a triangle, then this particular angle has to be 90 degree. This is called angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. If I am drawing the triangle like this, again this angle will become 90 degree. So these three properties we have to discuss here for the chapter circles. Now we'll solve some questions related to this by using the three properties. The first question that we are going to solve is that the diameter a tangent is given to the circle and this tangent is 24 centimeter long. O is the center of the circle and OA is equal to 26 centimeter. O is the center of the circle. So speed A and this line, it is given as 26 centimeter. So as we can see from the diagram that length of the tangent AP is given to be 24 centimeter. The distance of the point P from point O is given as 26 centimeter. So then we have to find out the diameter of the circle. So in order to find out the diameter of the circle, first of all we'll calculate the radius, then we'll twice it. So I'm going to use a property over here which states that radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So it states OAP, this angle is equal to 90 degree. Now this PAO has become a right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle we can use Pythagoras theorem to find out the OA. So according to Pythagoras theorem I can write down perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square, which is OP here, minus PA square. So from here I am getting 26 square minus 24 square is 676 minus 576. So we are getting it to be 100. So from here I can write down OA is equal to square root of 100, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Now once we are getting the radius to be 10 centimeter, then we can write down that the diameter, this OA we have got 10 centimeter, then we can write down the diameter is equal to twice of radius, that is 2 into 10, so we are getting it to be 20 centimeter. So this question we have solved by using the property that tangent is perpendicular to radius. When we used the Pythagoras theorem to find out the value of OA, and then we have doubled it to get the value of radius. Then let us discuss the next question, which is we have to find out the value of x in this particular question. Here we have a diameter with center O. This angle we have to find out, which is written as x. Okay, and one of the angle is given as 46 degree. Now, as we can see here that this particular triangle, let us name it to be ABC. This particular triangle ABC has been formed by the diameter on one side. So we can use the property that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So by using the property, the angle at point C has now become to be 90 degree. After getting the two angles, this 90 degree and this one is 46 degree. If we closely look at the diagram, we can see that this x is an exterior angle for the triangle ABC. So by using the property, we can directly write down x is equal to 90 plus 46, that is equal to 136 degree. And here we have to write down that exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So in this chapter circles, here we can see that we also are using the property of the triangles here to find out the value of x. Now let us see the next question. Question number 3. Here we have this thing. A circle has been given and a diameter is drawn like this. This side and this side are given equal. This angle is marked to be x. This is O, which states that this is the diameter. O is the center. And here, this line and this line is joined. And this angle has been given as y. So then we have to find out the value of x and y. Let us name the triangles A, B, C and D. So in this diagram, we have to find out the value of x, that is angle BCA, and then we have to find out the value of y, which is CDB. So first of all, let us try to find out the value of x. Let us see this triangle ACB. This triangle has been formed by a diameter on one side. So this angle will be equal to 90 degree, which is angle in a semicircle. This we can write down 90. Then we can write down like this. In triangle ABC, according to the question, AB is given equal to BC. So it is an isosceles triangle. If AB is equal to BC, angle A is equal to angle C. So if this is x, then this angle is also x. Okay. Now in the triangle, we got two angles as x and the third angle is 90 degree. We can write down x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. By using the angle sum property of the triangle, 2x is equal to 90. So x we are getting it to be 45 degrees. So till this, we have calculated only the value of x. Now we'll see the triangle CDB. In triangle CDB, CD is equal to CD. It is given in the question. CD is equal to CD. So angle at point B must be equal to angle at point D by using the isosceles triangle theorem. So if angle CDB is given as equal to y, then angle CBD is also equal to y. CD is equal to CB. If angle CDB is equal to y, then angle CBD is also equal to y. So from here I can write down this angle to be y. Now if you closely look at the diagram, you will notice that for the triangle CBB, this x is an exterior angle. The angle x over here is an exterior angle for the triangle CDB. So now only we have studied that exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So we can write down like this: 2y is equal to x. Again you have to mention the property over here. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So 2y is equal to x we have already got to be 45 degree. X we have got to be 45 degree over here. So we can write down y is equal to 45 upon 2, that is equal to 22.5 degrees. So this is how we have got the value of y, which is 22.5 degrees. I have solved it like this. There is one more method by which you can solve is like this. You can find out this particular angle. Let it be p. By using linear pair with x and p, find out the value of p. Then use the angle sum property. P plus y is equal to 180. So you can solve the question by different methods. I hope you have understood this question. Now let us proceed to the next question. This question states that in this following figure, O is the center of the circle, find the values of x and y. So let us see the diagram, what it is given. A circle has been given, and to the circle, two tangents has been drawn. Center O, this value is given as x. This is 18 centimeter from the center, 18 centimeter. So 18 centimeter is the radius. We'll draw a 90-degree angle. X, this is 24 centimeter, and this is y. So the question is asking us to find out the value of x and y. From here, let us write down the names P, A, B, and this one is O. The first property that we discussed for the chapter was that to a circle, if from the same exterior point, if tangents are drawn to the circle, then the length of both the tangents will be equal. So by following the same property, here we can write down if PA is given as 24, then PB will also be equal to 24. PA is equal to PB. In bracket we'll write down tangents to the circle, tangents to a circle from an exterior point, are equal. From same exterior point are equal. To be very precise over here, PA is given as 24, then PB, which is y, is equal to 24 centimeter. Directly we can write down the answer by using the property. Now we have got this point to be 24. You can see I have drawn a 90-degree angle over here by using the property that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So this angle is 90 degree. Now POP has become a right angle triangle. And in a right angle triangle, we can have Pythagoras theorem to find out the value of the sides. Two sides are given, which is perpendicular, and base is already given. Now we have to find out the value of hypotenuse. So in triangle POB, we can write down x square is equal to 18 square plus 24 square. So 18 square is 324 plus 576. It will come out to be 900. So square root of 900 is 30. So x we are getting it to be 30 centimeter. So with this, we have discussed the different types of questions given in the chapter. So revise all the questions that has been given in the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video.